Well guys, it just hasn't been my month for electronics and videos. As I broke my phone, overheated the GoPro multiple times, lost most of the footage of the remaining build of this, and generally got fed up with recording. So in this short video of the finished man cave, I'll show you what it looks like finished, minus the rear 9x9 overhead that parts were missing on. I do want to thank everyone that's helped with this build and who's watched these videos. Because we used 5/8 plywood fastened to the bottom of the 2x6 sub fascia, pre-bent aluminum fascia wouldn't work. So I brought my brake over and bent the finished fascia on that. Of course, what man cave wouldn't be complete without having its own little roof over the entry door. And there she is, the finished man cave, not to mention one happy homeowner. So all the lateral bracing and such is in, along with hurricane screws and all the rest of the fasteners that we had to put in this thing. The 5/8 soffit on the eaves and gable ends. The eaves had continuous vent strip, so everything had to be framed out for that, which again was something that got lost in footage, but turned out to be a very nice build. It's been a busy few weeks now that the snow is gone. So in the next video, we'll be back at the off-grid cabin, getting a lot of the outside work done. So, take care everyone, and we'll see you in the next one.